Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing another simple unboxing of another Seiko 5 watch, and this one is not from the mail, but it is this a watch that I bought from a store. It's the store is called Time Concept, and it is in Suria, Kota Kinabalu, so North Borneo, Malaysia. So if you are from Sabah or from Kota Kinabalu, you can come to Suria, and because they have quite a number of sales, discount for watches during this lockdown. Okay, so we just proceed with the unboxing very quickly. There it is. This is the box itself. Okay, normal Seiko box. Put that aside, and then okay, this is a Seiko box. I think there's something new with this box. It's there's a luxury touch of the box. It's not the normal kind of cardboard box. So just put this aside, and I believe these are the instruction manuals for this watch. All right, so it's all there. Just put it inside, and this is the, I believe this is the warranty card, warranty certificate, worldwide warranty, and also instruction how to take care of your watch. All right, so here it is. Seiko, and this is the warranty. Right, so let's proceed with the watch itself. Okay, so there's the watch. It's the watch. It's a blue dial, and this is the tag. So I have already removed it in the shop. So this is the reference number, SRPC51K1. SRPC51K1. And if you look at the very small print, it is automatic hand winding. So this one you can hand wind it, and second hand hold mechanism means that you can hack it, and it has 24 jewels and water resist for 100 meters. Okay, so this is the Seiko 5 tag, also Seiko 5 tag, and the remaining of the bracelet that I have sized. I asked the shop owner to size it for me. So let's proceed with the watch itself. Okay, so just take it off. Look at that. It's a beautiful blue dial with gold, with gold, what is this, second hand, and also hour hand, and also the minutes hand. Okay, so it has a touch of it looks almost similar to the Monster, Seiko Monster diver's watch. This one is smaller, I think. This is only 100 meters, so it's not really a true diver's watch. Okay, let's have a look at the case itself. Okay, the case is all solid stainless steel, and it is polished. Okay, it is polished. I think here is brush, the other side here is brush, and this one is polish. Okay, the bracelet itself is polish, sorry, brush. That one is polish, and brush over here, and the bezel. Wow, it feel like it's tough, feel tough. There's a feel of a real diver watch here. Okay, let's make it directly to, all right, so got it there. Okay, so you look at the dial. There's a bluish, if put it on the sun, in the sun, see there's a reflection of sundial, something like that. Okay, right, let's talk about the bracelet itself. It is the normal Seiko bracelet, the clasp type. Okay, where there's a lock over here, and then you take it out by pushing the two buttons. Okay, but the bracelet itself is of solid stainless steel. Okay, I cannot see anything folding from the bracelet itself. Okay, so this look tough, this look very good. I mean, the bracelet look tough and good, and nothing wrong with it. So I wouldn't change this this strap, I think, with leather or something, or NATO. Let's have a look at the mechanism. Just focus it for you. So that is the 4R36 caliber, automatic caliber. So here is the see-through back casing. It is of hardlex material, hardlex crystal. Okay, so the crystal here also hardlex. The crystal here also hardlex. Okay, just show you on my wrist. Let's show this on my wrist for a short while. But before that, a very quick wrist check. This is another Seiko 5. This is the Seiko 5 SRPC51K1 with a NATO strap. Okay, let's try this on my right hand. I'll be back with it shortly. Look at that. Okay, I have a 615 wrist. So this watch is I think it's a little, maybe it's look a bit bigger, but I think this is okay because this is a sport watch, so it's supposed to be a little bit bigger. So it's look nice on my 6.5 wrist. So that's it, guys. So if you like my video, you can click on subscribe and also like my video, and I'll be back with you with more videos regarding unboxing.